Welcome to really short system test 2. I've added a lot more features. Well, 2. I added walk test and coding options. There's 3 coding options. Continuous, which is probably the best. Continuous, fast march, and 4-4. Because, you know, I always have 4-4. I'm high smart alarms. That's why I have 4-4. All my panels have had 4-4. 4-4 is my signature. Anyways, got the North Star phone, which does nothing until Tuesday when I'm getting the BCM50 and the Adtran, and hopefully I'll have 3CX, BCM50, Adtran, all this crap linked together. Like, the BCM50 will be connected to the 3CX. So all my North Star phone, or my Nortel phone system, will be connected to the to 3CX, which then I'll also have an analog phone, which I know the Adtrans don't do pulse dialing, but I'll have an analog phone, and then I'll also have the panel tied into it. So yeah, I'll have a lot of telephony equipment going on. So yeah, let's get started, because I got ramen noodles cooking. So let's see here. Let me go over the coding options. So the way you do coding options is you hold down the option button, since there's no menu because I don't have a screen, and it'll flash whichever one is the current coding option. So each LED represents a coding option. So green's continuous, yellow is fast march, and blue is 4-4. Red will probably be temporal. Okay. Decided don't want to be in the video. Okay. So if I hold this down, see nothing's flashing. It's because, and you can see it flashing in there. It's because the yellow LED finally died. Well, actually, it's kind of very weird. It wants to work sometimes, but it's just not working. So, anyway, so it's in fast march because you can see it's pulsing down there, and I can press this button next to it to change options. So now everybody's having a seizure. And now I can push it again. Now we're on continuous. Now we're back at fast march. So let's set it off. And this strobe's broken. Well, it's not broken. It's just causing the thing to have a heart attack. Yeah, I think I wired it wrong. Okay. So now we're silenced again. So now let's reset the pull station. And there's my ramen noodles. Oh, the water for the ramen noodles. Okay, I went to trouble there. Hold on. Okay, hold on, let me reset the panel. It's being weird. Okay. So, as you can see, we're back to normal. Now let's try 4-4. If I can go into it. Okay. Now, if you remember with the last system, if you push silence, you had to wait for the 4-4 cycle to finish. Well, I made a way to do that, and I'm making it as my own. So sorry, people. You can't have it if you're making an art. I'm not sharing the way I did it. I'm just gonna say it was very simple, and I wish I would have thought of it sooner. But it's very simple. So I'm not sharing the way I did it. So don't ask. Unless you're a really close friend, I might tell you. But I don't want to give it out because I'm very proud of it. Anyways, let's get started. So 4-4. There we go. And it's not correct because I forgot to code it all the way. So it just does 4 pulses instead of 4-4. So technically this is just 4, I guess. And as you can see, now the system is very awkward. See, like the acknowledge and stuff, it still has to wait for the whole pulse to be acknowledged. But the silence works. And so does reset. So yeah, it's still iffy, but I found a way to do it. I just have to, fix the bugs in it. So now let's try walk test. So you hold down the silence button when you restart, and now go into trouble because the walk test gives it trouble. So now this is zone 1. So it pulses once, so it's zone 1. And it does it every 5 seconds. I'll probably hear it again. Alright, there we go. So now, I'll try to activate zone 2 if I can, without blowing up the panel. Give me a second. Connect one bit there. And here we go. There we go. There's zone 2. I'd do more zones, but I still haven't programmed them. So yeah, there's the zones, and yeah. So that concludes the system test.